Hi, welcome to How To for Dummies. Today we will be talking about responding to a summons. Receiving a summons can be an overwhelming experience. Whether it's your first time navigating the legal system or you've been through it before, the weight of the situation can leave you feeling anxious and uncertain about what to do next. In this guide, we'll provide you with a clear and concise roadmap for responding to a summons, helping you navigate this challenging process with confidence and clarity. Here's a step-by-step guide with examples to help you navigate this process effectively. Step 1. Review the summons. Carefully read through the summons document to understand the nature of the lawsuit, the claims being made against you, and the deadline by which you must respond. Take note of any instructions or requirements outlined in the summons. Example: you have been served with a summons in a civil lawsuit filed against you by plaintiff's name. The lawsuit alleges breach of contract for unpaid services. The summons specifies that you have 21 days from the date of service to file a written response with the court. Step 2. Understand your options. Consider your options for responding to the summons. You generally have the choice to contest the claims made in the lawsuit by filing an answer, or to seek a resolution outside of court through negotiation or mediation. Example: you may choose to respond to the summons by filing an answer with the court, in which you admit or deny each allegation made by the plaintiff. Alternatively, you may opt to reach a settlement with the plaintiff through negotiation or mediation. Step 3. Prepare your response. If you decide to contest the lawsuit, prepare your written response, referred to as an answer, in accordance with the court rules. Your answer should address each allegation made in the plaintiff's complaint and assert any defenses or counterclaims you may have. Example: your answer should include a caption identifying the court, the parties involved, and the case number. You should then respond to each numbered paragraph of the plaintiff's complaint, admitting or denying the allegations as appropriate. Additionally, you may assert any affirmative defenses or counterclaims you wish to raise. Step 4. File your response. File your written response, answer, with the appropriate court within the timeframe specified in the summons. Be sure to follow the court's filing procedures, including any requirements for formatting, signatures, and payment of filing fees. Example: you must file your answer with the clerk of the court where the lawsuit was filed within 21 days of being served with the summons. You may file your response in person at the courthouse or by mail, ensuring that it is postmarked before the deadline expires. Step 5. Serve your response. After filing your response with the court, serve a copy of the document on the plaintiff or their attorney in accordance with the court rules. Proper service ensures that the plaintiff receives notice of your response and has an opportunity to respond. Example: serve a copy of your answer on the plaintiff's attorney, or the plaintiff themselves if they are not represented by an attorney, by mail or in person. Be sure to retain proof of service, such as a certificate of mailing or a signed acknowledgement of receipt, for your records. Step 6. Follow court procedures. Adhere to any additional court procedures or deadlines related to the litigation process, such as attending scheduled hearings, participating in discovery, and complying with court orders. Example: monitor the progress of the lawsuit and comply with any court orders or scheduling orders issued by the judge. Attend all required court hearings and conferences, and participate in discovery activities as directed by the court. By following these steps and consulting with an attorney if necessary, you can effectively respond to a summons in the state of Utah and protect your rights in a legal proceeding. Here is an example of responding to a summons. Dear Clerk of the Court, I, your name, hereby submit this answer to the complaint filed against me by plaintiff's name, in the above referenced case. I deny the allegations contained in the complaint and assert the following affirmative defenses and counterclaims. Admissions and denials. A. Paragraph 1. I admit that I am a resident of City, Utah. B. Paragraph 2. I deny the allegation that I breached the contract with the plaintiff. C. Paragraph 3. I deny the allegation that I failed to pay for services rendered by the plaintiff. 2. Affirmative defenses. A. Failure to state a claim. The complaint fails to state a claim upon which relief can be granted. B. Statute of limitations. Any claims asserted by the plaintiff are barred by the applicable statute of limitations. C. Accord and satisfaction. Any alleged breach of contract has been resolved through accord and satisfaction. D. Latches. The plaintiff's claims are barred by latches due to unreasonable delay. 3. Counterclaims. A. Breach of implied warranty of merchantability. I assert a counterclaim against the plaintiff for breach of the implied warranty of merchantability. B. Unjust enrichment. I assert a counterclaim against the plaintiff for unjust enrichment based on the services rendered. Wherefore, I respectfully request that the court 1. Dismiss the plaintiff's complaint with prejudice. 2. Award me damages on my counterclaims. 3. Grant such further relief as the court deems just and proper. I declare under penalty of perjury under the laws of the state of Utah that the foregoing is true and correct. Dated this date, day of, month, year. Sincerely, your signature, your name. Thanks for watching. You can find a response to a summons in the description box.